Your factory runs on machines, and machines cost money to own and run. The asset register tracks each one, what it cost, how it loses value over time, and crucially, its running cost per hour. That hourly rate flows into your work centers, so every product carries a fair share of the machine cost. Let us register our dough mixer. We click Register Asset. We name it the Industrial Dough Mixer, set the type to Machine, and describe it. We record when we bought it, and what we paid, 2.5 million naira. Salvage value is what it will be worth at the end of its life, 250,000, over a useful life of 10 years. From this, ZetaFisc works out the yearly depreciation automatically. We add its power rating, 7.5 kilowatts, and the expected annual maintenance cost. This feeds the running cost per hour. Now the important link, we attach this machine to the mixing work center. From now on, that work center's machine rate automatically includes this mixer's hourly cost. Finally, the identification details, serial number, manufacturer and location, and a note. We register the asset. The mixer is now on the register. The summary card at the top updates with the total number of assets and their book value. Let us open the row to see how ZetaFisc has costed it. Here is the breakdown, the depreciation method, the salvage value, the useful life, the yearly depreciation, and the three components of the hourly cost, depreciation per hour, maintenance per hour, and power per hour. Added together, they give the total rate per hour that this machine contributes to whatever it produces. Across the table you can see each asset's code, name, type, purchase price, current book value, annual depreciation, rate per hour, linked work center and status. The action buttons let you duplicate a similar asset, edit its details, or dispose of it when it is retired. This is how ZetaFisc turns the machines you own into an accurate, per hour cost inside every product you make.